Top 10 Most Dangerous Railway Bridges. Before we start a video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates, and you can also give suggestion at comment section. The number 10 is the Death Railway, Thailand. The Burma Railway, also known as the Death Railway, the Burma. The Death Railway Bridge was a 415 km track between Bangkok. Its construction started in 1943 and completed in 1947. The number 9 is Osso Minami Route, Japan. The Osso Minami Railway Bridge in Japan is the most dangerous and daring bridge, as it is very close to the country's biggest active volcano region. Passengers often saw the lava flowing and burning in the forest. Visitors also see the steam rising during the volcanic eruption. The number 8 is Georgetown Loop Railroad, Colorado. The heritage railway bridge that located in the Rocky Mountains in Colorado, United States. The railway bridge approx 7.2 kilometers long and 640 feet its altitude. The mountains make it one of the dangerous rail bridges.
Well, I'm glad that everybody had their tickets, because if you did not, just look on the line where you get off my train.
The number 7 is Chennai Rameswaram Route, India. World's first sea bridge and India's most beautiful railway bridge, the Pamban Bridge, which connects Chennai to Rameshwaram route. This bridge started in the year 1914 and is about 6,776 meters in length as the sea distance. The central part of the bridge opens up for passing the ships. The number 6 is White Pass and Yukon Route, Alaska. One of the most famous and beautiful railroads in Alaska, it was constructed in 1898 during the Klondike Gold Rush. This railway bridge is 20 miles long and 3,000 meters high and includes 2 tunnels. The number 5 is Tranel's new base, Argentina. It started in 1948 and was basically constructed for the socio-economic purpose, but it has been converted into the tourist train serving from Salta, 434 kilometers round-trip journey. The number 4 is Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad, New Mexico. The railroad gets its name from the 800 feet high Toltec Gorge and the 10,015 feet high Cumbres Pass through which it passes. The Cumbres Pass is the biggest drain pass in the Mexico. The number 3 is Anika Chutjo Train, South Africa. The Anika Chutjoets is one of the dangerous bridges in the world. It is made in the river with a height over 200 feet. The number 2 is Argo Train Railroad, Indonesia. The most dangerous railway bridge's journey of 3-hour adventure is the passing on the Sakurutug Bridge. The rail rides on the arched trestle connect 200 feet over the valley floor, offering horror perspective of the subtropical valley beneath. The number 1 is Kuranda Scenic Railroad, Australia. Kuranda Scenic Railway Bridge. It is one of dangerous railway bridges, was finished construction in 1891 AD. First journey started in 1936 from Cairns to Kuranda.